write down the word. The word is meiosis. Right here. And our topic or theme, but you guys had written this last week, is the types of cell division in multicellular organisms. So above meiosis, you're going to write your first guess. Okay. And now you're going to make a new guess. It can be different from the last one. You could add to the last one. So the process of meiosis is like a 52 deck of cards that is split into 4 piles. Each pile has 13 different cards in it. I'll repeat it. Parent cell. Chromosomes make identical copies of themselves. Similar chromosomes pair up. Sections of DNA get swapped. Pairs of chromosomes divide. Chromosomes divide. Okay? And the sentence is still on the board too if you want to make sense of both of them together. Make a third guess.
Meiosis is the division. Meiosis is the division of sex cells. Yeah. So sperm is 50% DNA, and egg is 50% DNA. Yeah. So the final definition is meiosis. Is the definition of cell division of sex cells. Yeah.
If your definition is missing some part of what you hear, please add to it, right? Francesca, can you start us off? What definition did you guys come up with?
Okay, so we wrote that this is the reproduction of sex cells because it shows the process of when fertilization, when the egg meets the sperm cell, and it shows step by step how the genes.
So that first part I want to grab so that everybody can get that. So it's the reproduction of sex cells, right? Kumba, can you add to that? Is this like mitosis?
Yeah.
No. Why is it different from mitosis?
It doesn't repair.
What's the product? Yeah.
Mitosis is like when it starts to repair and helps you grow. This is like reproduce.